Hello dear student, let us start today's class. But before going to today's class, let us see what we have discussed in the last class. So, in the last class we have discussed about the closure property, commutative property, associative property and additive identity, and we have solved some problems also depending upon these properties. Now, yesterday we have got the homework from exercise 1.2. So, let us try to solve its question number 4. So, fill in the blanks to make the following statement true. Here is minus 5, here is minus 8. So, now a minus 8 is here at the second position and this side it is first position. This means the related number is minus 5 according to commutative property. Now, let us see the second part or second statement minus 53. Answer you are getting minus 53, that means the related integer is 0 because 0 is additive identity for the integers. Now, here 17, answer is 0. So, the related fill in the blanks will be minus 17 because additive inverse will only give the answer 0. Next is fourth one, 13 and minus 12 has made the group, means associated here, and here minus 12 and minus 7 are associated. So, related fill in the blanks will be minus 7. Now, fifth one, here 15 and minus 3 is associated. Similarly, here minus 4 is associated with the 15. That is why related fill in the blanks will be minus 3 according to associative property. Start today's topic, chapter number 1, integers, part 5, exercise 1.2, question number 1 and onwards, and also we are going to see some rules of multiplication of integers. Now, here question number 1 is write down a pair of integer whose sum is minus 7, b difference is minus 10 and c sum is 0. Now, listen student, related to this question there you will get many integers which having this type of properties. So, whatever the answer I am giving here, that is not the only answer. You can find many integers like this. So, let us discuss first one, a minus 3 minus 4, answer is minus 7 because these two number having same sign, so they will be added. So, 3 plus 4 7, but here greater number sign is minus, so exactly you are getting some minus 7. So, required integers are minus 3 and minus 4. Similarly, second example I am also taking. So, here minus 10 and 3. These two integers does not have their sign same, they will be subtracted. Therefore, 10 minus 3. So, this will become here 7, but greater number sign is minus. So, the exactly you are getting here minus 7. So, required integers minus 10 and 3. Let us consider the B1, first one, minus 2 minus of 8 is equals to minus 10. So, here we need the difference is minus 10. So, here you can see again 2 has minus sign, 8 has also minus sign. So, they will be added. So, minus 2 minus 8 greater number sign, it will become here minus. Due to same sign they will be added. So, 2 plus 8 this becomes 7. So, required integers are minus 2 and plus 8. Now, another one is minus 6 and minus 4. Same way you will get the result minus 10. So, required integers are minus 6 and 4. Now, another one, question C. Here we need sum 0. So, you know the additive inverse will give the sum 0. So, 5 has its additive inverse, that is minus 5. So, the required integers are plus 5 and minus 5. Here 8 and minus 8 will give you the result 0. So, the required integers are plus 8 and minus 8. Now, let us take the see question number 2. A. Write a pair of negative integers whose difference gives 8. Now, listen student, for this question also there can be many answers or many integers. So, whatever the answers or integers I am showing, that is not only the answer, you can find the many integers like this. So, here first I have taken minus 10 and here is minus 18. So, here minus outside minus inside. So, this will become plus here, and though their sign will not become same, so they will be subtracted. So, 18 minus 10, so this will become 8. So, here you are getting difference plus 8. So, required integers will be minus 10 and minus 18. So, now let us see B1. Write a negative integer and a positive integer whose sum is minus 5. So, here I have taken minus 20 and 15. So, here minus 20 and plus 15 does not have their sign same. So, they will be subtracted 20 minus 15. So, you will get here 5, but greater number sign is here negative. So, you will get here minus 5. So, required integers will be minus 20 and plus 15. Now, let us see C1. Write a negative integer and a positive integer whose difference is minus 3. So, here I have taken minus 1 and plus 2. Again these two does not have their sign same, but if you will solve it, so minus and out inside plus, this will become again here minus, that means their sign will become same. So, you have to add them. So, 1 and this 2, this will become here 3. Okay. So, this will become 3, but here the greater number sign, this minus will come outside. So, this will become minus 3. So, required integers will be minus 1 and 2. Now, consider question number 3. In a quiz, team A scored minus 40, 10, 0 and team B scored 10, 0, minus 40 in 3 successive rounds. Which team scored more? Can we say that we can add integers in any order? So, let us start solution. So, here sum of the score of team A first we will find. So, team A score is already given and it is minus 40 plus 10 plus 0. So, here minus 40 and 10 does not have their sign same. So, they will be subtracted. So, its difference will become here 30, but 40 has greater number sign minus. So, this sign will come with 30. So, this will become minus 30 and here 0 will be as it is. Now, here you know if you add 0 in any integer, you will get same integer. So, sum of the score of team A, this will be minus 30. Sum of the score of team B now we will find, which is already given 10, 0 and minus 40. So, here first two integers are 10 and plus 0. So, you know if you add 0 in any integer, you will get same integer. So, 10 will be as it is here, then minus 40 will also become as it is here. 10 is plus, 40 is minus. So, they will be subtracted, difference will become here 30, but 40 has greater number sign. So, this sign will come outside. So, the sum of the score of team B, this will become minus 30. So, here in when we added score of team A, order was minus 40, 10 and 0. When we added score of team B, order was 10, 0 and minus 40. That means order is changing, but sum is here same. That means 30 minus 30 and here also minus 30. So, here yes, we can say that we can add the integers in any order. Now, let us consider rules of multiplication of integers. So, which are very important. So, let us consider rule number 1. When sign of both the integers are same, so answer you will get in positive integer. So, here in general we can write plus multiplied by plus, answer is in plus, or minus, so integer minus multiplied by minus or integer minus, so you will get the answer in plus. So, for example, here 10 is positive, 12 is positive, that is why answer 120 is also in the positive. That means plus 10 multiplied by plus 12, answer is plus 120. So, second example, here minus 15 multiplied by minus 6. So, this gives you plus answer, because as we see minus multiplied by minus, answer will become here plus. Now, let us consider the second rule. When signs of both the integers are not same, so here answer you will get in negative integer. So, in general we can see here first is positive, second is negative, that means positive integer multiplied by negative integer, answer is negative integer. Similarly, negative integer, that is minus, multiplied by a positive integer, that is plus, answer is in, that is negative, that is minus negative integer. For example, first one 5 multiplied by minus 6, answer will be minus 30, because plus multiplied by minus, so here you will get the answer in the minus. Similarly, here you can see here minus 4 is here and here is plus 2. So, minus here multiplied by plus, so answer you will get here in the minus. So, it is minus 8, that means minus 4 multiplied by plus 2, answer will be minus 8. Now, let us see some problems from exercise 1.3 which are depending upon the rules of multiplication of integers. So, here you can see that is question number 1. Find each of the following product. So, A, here this 3 is plus and 1 is minus. So, here plus multiplied by minus, so answer will become minus, and 3 multiplied by 1, so answer will get here 3, that is final answer minus 3. Let us see question number C, minus 21 and minus 30. So, minus multiplied by minus, so here answer will come plus, but 21 multiplied by 30, so if you multiply these two numbers, so answer you will get 630. So, final answer plus 630. Now, let us consider question number F, where you have got the 3 integers. So, first of all we will consider first 2 integers. So, here first integer is negative, that is minus 12, second integer is also negative, minus 11. So, minus multiplied by minus, so this will become here plus, and 12 multiplied by 11 we will write like this in the bracket, and multiplied by 10 will be as it is. So, here plus sign will come as it is. 12 multiplied by 11, this will become 132, plus 10 will be also as it is. 132 multiplied by 10, answer will be 1320. Now let us discuss about today's homework, and today's homework is from exercise 1.3. Question number 1, find each of the following product, and also you have to write rules of multiplication in your copy with the given examples.